In this tutorial, we're going to look at how we can create versions of a session, but without creating new folders and new audio files. So right now, I've created a session here. If I now press save, I get to choose where I want to save it. I've just created a folder here where I can save it, and I'll call this new session. If I now open my Finder, I can see that within the folder that I just saved it in, I now have a session file called new session and a session folder called new session with all my audio in it. If I now make some changes to my session, like so, I want to save it again, I can do a save as, and I get the save as menu. If I now call this session for new session 2 and save it, if I now open my Finder, I can see that I have a session file called new session 2, but still only one folder with all the audio. So just because I added the 2, the system still knows it's the new session which refers to the new session files. If I do additional changes, do a save as, call in new session 3, say save, open my Finder again, I can now see I have 3 different session files, which are very small, and only one folder with all the audio.